What's going on, everyone? Kite Monroe, first time Harley owner. My 2021 Fat Bob. I've a couple things that I've done so far. Purchased a solo seat, custom designed from Saddlemans. Check them out, saddlemans.com. Highly recommend it. I dropped my mirrors actually down, and actually I can even get better visibility from the back. I don't have to it seems like when the wind's blowing, if I have a loose jacket on and I had them on the top, that it's harder for me to look over my jacket. I don't know if that makes sense to anybody. Mustache guard just added, purchased at a Harley. And then today I just installed my heat guard. Got rid of the gold and put this on. As you can see from the thumbnail, which showed my gold. Now I have it in black. I enjoy the black. Thursday I have my Vance & Hines coming. We'll definitely do a how-to on that. We'll do it together. Just took out the screws right here, and if you can see my bands were still good, so I used the same bands, installed them here and here, and did the torquage on those as well as the requirements. I believe it was I have to look. This was about 60 to 70 pounds torque on the screws, and then the bands are about 20 to 40 pounds. That's what it states. But it's coming along just nice. And until next time, take care and 2 on the ground. Talk to you later.